Hello everybody, in today's video I want to take a look at 5 winning creative types that you need to try out in your ad account today. So I would say let's get right into the video. The first ad type is UGC video, but with a special twist to it, I would say. And it starts with basically negative spin is what I call it. So in this instance it's your razor hates you. So let's take a look at the full ad first, and then we can kind of go over a few points on how you can implement that for your brand maybe. So obviously, they're kind of having negative spin, then they're introducing their razor, and then they're just basically having a compilation of different UGC creatives going over why their product is superior to other razors or why their razor is better, right? And obviously they have tons of social proof with this ad. That's the first point. Basically, what you could use or what you could take out of this is, first of all, if you take a look at this particular hook, your razor hates you. How can you do that for you? If you have any product which kind of competes with anything else, maybe with a competitor or something like this, or if it's like a normal household appliance, for example, if you are selling, let's say, kitchenware, you could be like, your kitchenware hates you, and then you have the negative points of the kitchenware. Maybe it's always like oily or greasy, whatever, or something along the lines of this. Get creative with this. Then you simply transition into your product. This one will love you. You can just basically copy this straight. You have a couple of testimonials on here, and then this one will love you no matter your skin type. Obviously, depending on no matter your skin type, this is obviously depending on your product. But they just have the different testimonials playing after each other. The problem that they encountered, how they got rid of it, and obviously the magic part of this is the razor in this instance, right? That's the magic product. That's the first ad which you need to try out, an ad with a negative hook to it, negative spin to it, right? Next one on the list is a simple, plain image product, plain image ad, which looks super easy to recreate, and it is. But let me tell you, really, it is performing amazing for us. I'm going to pull up a screenshot of one of our ad accounts, and this ad is absolutely crushing it. It's been over 100K. Best results on the account. So if you're not running any image ads because you think UGC is the way to go, UGC definitely has a big portion, or makes a big portion of your success, but also having different types of other creatives that kind of accelerate that growth, right? So it's important that you also try image ads, and I think this image ad is the universal solution to image ads. Like, if you don't have any image ads running, this is the first one which I would try. If you're just starting out, this would be the first image type that I would try. But if it's at the top, clear, smaller benefits on the side, product shot, boom, you're ready to go. Then next one, if you have a product which has an emotional connection to it and which makes people cry or laugh or be surprised or whatever, just have a customer film a reaction, because these apps are crazy, right? It's simply, there's no text overlay, there's nothing going on. Basically what they're selling or how this product is being sold is by the emotion on the face of the potential or of the customer, right? So if you have an ad which is selling anything custom, anything as a gift, anything which makes people happy, record the reaction, or let customers record the reaction, give them a discount code in exchange, and these ads will be the best performing ads for you, I'm pretty sure, because I've run multiple of these ads in the past, and they were always the best performers on our accounts. It's simply a raw reaction. Then the next one is a before and after. This one I think they did it pretty well, because clear skin or your money back, super obvious. If this product doesn't work, you get your money back. So you basically take out of the fear that somebody has that is associated with buying from your brand, because they get the money back, right? Then they have the clear before and after. You can see it's the same person. You can really see a difference. It's not the acne, it's not completely gone. It's not looking like super shiny, whatever. It's not looking anything fake. Just looking like a good before and after statement, and then at the bottom they have the product, right? So it's you associate this before and after with the product directly, right? So I think this one, if you have any before and after product, you could do this for sure, right? Then the last one, which I think is also a fantastic ad to add to your portfolio if you don't have that already, especially if you're starting out, especially if you're a small e-com brand, is Founders Video, right? Founders Videos tend to perform super well, also as a top of the funnel ad, but also acting as a retargeting ad, because they show the authenticity of your brand, of your product, right? Why are you starting the brand? What's your mission behind it? You can convey that the best, and a Founders Video can convey your message the best way possible, right? Intro, boom, make it raw, make it authentic. She's just in her kitchen eating, right? making it real raw, making it real authentic. So don't do anything like high footage, like blah blah blah. Do the raw and authentic. And then, you know, her son is going through the video. So amazing video, you know, not any scenery change, just subtitles, and boom, she's ready to go, right? So those are the 5 ad types that I suggest you try out on your ad account today. If you haven't tried any of these yet, I highly suggest you do so. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.